We got a rare offering for you today. We're here in the Roseland Green condominium complex in South Burlington, and I want to show you this townhouse that's been updated and ready for you to move in. First thing you notice when you walk in the front door is this brand new solid oak staircase, which is really unique in these townhouses. We're here in this large open concept living space. It features brand new flooring, freshly painted walls, opens up to your kitchen, which features new appliances, and we have a walkout to our private backyard patio. We're here in the primary bedroom, which offers a walk-in closet, full ensuite washroom, and every morning when you wake up, you're greeted by this awesome skylight here, which offers an abundance of natural light to the whole second level. As a unit owner, you'll experience maintenance-free condo living, including all your snow removal and exterior landscaping. Furthermore, you're just a short walk to any of your great amenities such as restaurants, grocery stores, and Lake Ontario.